National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Gleason County and north central Texas, eastern Cook County and north central Texas until 3:30 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over the Roberts Park Johnson Branch, or 10 miles northeast of Sanger, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, wind not indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman, Gainesville, Whitesboro, Pilot Point, Pottsboro, Collinsville, Gunter, Callisburg, Dorchester, Lake Kiowa, Eisenhower State Park, Roberts Park Johnson Branch, Southern Lake Texoma, South Maid, Tioga, Valley View, and Baylor. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 482 and 496. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for north central Texas. National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Gleason County and north central Texas until 3 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Norwood or near Denison, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Denison around 2:35 p.m. Eisenhower State Park around 2:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Low and South Maid. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid the windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home,